Hi, I'm Mike Baker. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the MTI 461 and 403 exam chairs. For any additional information, refer to the user manual. For this installation, you'll need a screwdriver, a wrench, and a knife or scissors. The MTI 461 and 403 models will come in a box attached to a pellet. First, remove the outer straps and lift the lid off. Now that you remove the box and the packaging material, the next step is to remove the 4 bolts on each corner of the chair using a wrench.
Once the bolts are removed, slide one side of the chair onto the 4-wheel dolly and then slide the other side, making sure that it's even and centered. Make sure that you lift by the metal of the chair and not the plastic. To install the upholstery, make sure the chair is laid out flat and grab the seat and back section. First, put down the seat section and line up the front locating pin with the front hole in the seat section, and firmly press down on the seat to attach the Velcro. Next, line up the upholstered backrest with the seat back of the chair and press down firmly.
Now that the seat and back upholstery are installed, the next step is to install the footrest pad. Simply line up the 4 ball studs with the 4 receptacles. The next step is to install the calf pad. First, lift up the footrest and align the 4 ball studs with the receptacles on the calf. If you purchase a 403 chair, it's easiest to raise the chair to be able to install the calf pad. To install the calf pad, line up the 2 holes in the chair with the 2 screw inserts. Fasten the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. The power cord is already attached to the chair. Plug in the wall and wait a few moments until it's fully powered up to move the chair. Now that the chair is powered up, the next step is to bring the backrest up. The 461 and 403 are both equipped with easy view switches. Simply push the home button and let the backrest come up. If your 461 chair did not come with the upholstery installed, the next step is to install the headrest cushion. To do so, remove the knob on the back of the cushion, unlock the headrest lock, making sure that it's completely unlocked, flip to the front, and install the headrest cushion into the lock mechanism. Next, replace the knob on the headrest cushion. The 403 comes standard with a non-articulating oval headrest, which is packaged separately. To install the headrest, loosen the knob in the back of the chair and insert the headrest into the receptacle and tighten back up. The next step is to install the armrest cushions. To do so, put the insert into the armrest and match up the holes on the armrest and fasten the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. If you purchase the optional foot control, insert the plug with the locking clip up into the back of the chair. Your 461 and 403 models both come standard with leveling glides on each corner. If your chair is not level, you can use a flathead screwdriver to adjust each level up or down. Once your chair is level, you can install the leveling glide covers by matching the 3 holes and pressing down firmly. Ensure that each function of your chair works. Note that neither one of the programs will move the chair until they are programmed by the end user. If you ordered any additional accessories, refer to the instructions for installation and operation. For any questions on maintenance or disinfection, refer to the user manual or contact our technical support team at 801-875-4990 or email them at technical.support@mti.net.